Hello, welcome back to Mila Eat channel. Today I will cook soup, red lentil with wild mushrooms. Very easy recipe, the fastest soup you can cook. We need red lentil, dry mushrooms, onion, garlic, a little bit of greens, and seasoning salt. That's all we need, and water. Okay, let's begin. First what I'll do, I'll peel onion. For this pot we need only half onion. I have to chop this in small pieces, very tiny pieces. Like this. I will place this onion to the bottom of the pot. Now I have to peel some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, very tiny pieces. Place garlic to the pot. I will use these mushrooms. It's dry mushrooms from Pistol River. It's porcini mushrooms. It's one of the best taste and smell. What I'll do, I'll grind them in a grinder and make powder. I will use like a handful of mushrooms. Put to the grinder. Plus, I made very fine powder, and I'll put this to the pot. That's about 3 tablespoons. Okay, next thing, I will put lentil. Then I'll put 2 cups red lentils, 1 cup, and 1 more cup. I have to put seasoning salt. I'll have like about 2.5 pinch of seasoning salt. I'm adding 6 cups of water. Mix, and it's complete the broth. You have to mix very well. Cover with the lid and put on high heat. When it starts boiling, you turn to the low heat and cook for 30 minutes and mix. You can mix more often. You can open and mix for more often. When soup will finish cook, we'll garnish with parsley. I have to chop parsley to the little pieces. This time I took curly parsley. It smells so good. Okay, now it starts boiling. And just mix very well. Put on a low heat and cook for 30 more minutes. The soup is now done and we can serve. Now I will add some sour cream for garnish, a little bit red pepper, some black pepper, and sprinkle with parsley. The time's come. My red lentil and mushroom soup is ready. Let's taste this soup. I cut up some fresh baguette bread and dip to the soup. That's so good. Honestly, I cooked this soup 3rd day in a row. I just love it. This is such a perfect meal for rainy or cold days. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe, put a like, and I'll see you again next